viewers, hope you are safe. Today I am going to explain use of be verbs am, is, are, was, were. This is one request video. Someone requested me to make a video using am, is, are, was, were. So this is Umarid Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel. To get the video use of am, is, are, was, were. Watch till the end of the video to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. We know am, is, are and was, were are be verbs. Am, is, are present be verbs and was and were are past be verbs. Am, is, are used to show the identification of someone or something, to show the condition of someone and something, and also to show the feelings of someone. We use am, is, are. I am a teacher. It shows what? Identification of someone. She is a dancer. They are players. Shows the identification of someone or some people. It is a musical instrument. Identification of something. Bhubaneswar is a smart city. Identification of city. They are wild animals. Okay, identification of the animals. I am tired. What shows here? It shows the feelings of someone. Okay, someone feeling what? Tired. My shoes are very dirty. Condition of something. So we use am, is, are present be verbs to show the condition of something and the feelings of someone and also the identification of someone and something. For present continuous, also you use am, is, are. Am, is, are with ing form of a verb. I am teaching now. Am plus ing form of a verb is used for present continuous when something is continuing at the time of speaking. Okay. So, I am teaching now. That means now it is continuing. We are doing our homework. It is continuing now. Okay. At the time of speaking, what is continuing? That is present continuous. What are you doing? Okay. Be verb plus ing form of a verb. He is dancing. Now, that means what? At the time of speaking, someone is dancing. So, be verb plus ing form of verb is present continuous. She is helping her mother in cooking. They are playing in the field. What is continuing at the time of speaking? That is present continuous. And what is the format? Be verb. Am, is, are plus ing form of a verb. Okay, what I told, when be verb takes continuous form of a verb, that means ing form of a verb, present participle verb, that is used for present continuous. Okay, that expresses what? A work is continuing at the time of speaking. But when be verb plus ing form of a verb is used with one time expression, that is tomorrow, the next day, the next month, next Sunday, like it, that expresses future time. Okay, mother is cooking a special dish tomorrow. That means what? It shows the future time. Mother is going to cook a special dish tomorrow. It shows also future time. That means be verb plus ing form of present be verb plus ing form of verb is used to show future time. For future time, we use present continuous. He is spending. Be verb plus ing form of a verb means that is the present continuous. So, what I know, what you know, present continuous is also used for future time. He is spending his next vacation in Darjeeling. Okay, is spending. Be verb plus ing form of verb is used for future time. He is going to spend. That is, its format is what? Be verb plus going to V1. It is what? V1, present form of a verb, and ing form of shows where? In going. Okay. So, he is going to spend his next vacation in Darjeeling. Present continuous is used for future time. They are going to play football next month. I am going to buy a land next Sunday. So, what do you know? Present be verb plus ing form of a verb is used for present continuous. Our work is continuing at the time of speaking, and also be verb plus ing form of a verb is used to show the future time. For future time, also use present continuous form of a verb. Let's see how to change the sentences into negative form. To change the sentence into negative form, only not is added in the sentence, where after the be verb, am is are. I am a teacher. When you changing the sentence into negative form, I am not a teacher. She is not a dancer. They are not players. We are not doing our homework. She is not helping her mother in cooking. When you changing just after be verb, we use not when you changing the sentence into negative. We should learn how to change one sentence into interrogative and also negative interrogative. Okay, negative interrogative means only not is added in the sentence. In the interrogative sentence, we should add not. That is called negative interrogative. So, am I a teacher? Okay, am I a teacher? Here, when you change the sentence into negative interrogative, that will be aren't I a teacher? Aren't I a teacher? Here, am plus not. Not will be added in the interrogative sentence. So, it will be what? Am I not a teacher? That will be what? Aren't I a teacher? Am plus not aren't. Remember it. Is she a dancer? What will be? Is she not a dancer? And also in the short form we can write, isn't she a dancer? Are they playing football? What is it? Are they not playing football? And also you can say, aren't they playing football? Is it a musical instrument? Isn't it a musical instrument? And also you can say, is it not a musical instrument? Is Bhubaneswar a smart city? Isn't Bhubaneswar a smart city? And also, is Bhubaneswar not a smart city? Are we doing our work? The same thing, are we not doing our work? And also, aren't we doing our work? Are plus not, aren't. Is she feeling tired? Is she not feeling tired? And also you can say, isn't she feeling tired? Are my shoes very dirty? Aren't my shoes very dirty? And also, are my shoes not very dirty? In two ways we can speak. Negative interrogative. We should learn how to change one sentence negative interrogative and how to write it in the short form. Is he not a teacher? What will be is plus not? Okay, is plus not will be what? Isn't in short form. Also you can write is he not, and in short form we should write isn't he a teacher? Is she not a dancer? The same thing isn't short form. Are you not? Aren't. Are plus not? Aren't. Am I not? It is irregular. Like others, it is a little bit different. Am I not? Am I not? Its short form will be what? Aren't. Are plus not. So, am I not? Tell what will be? Aren't I tell or ain't I tell? Let's see all the short forms of the be verbs. I am. What will be am? I apostrophe am. We are. Where? You are. You are. Your. He is. His. She is. She's. It is. It's. They are. They are. And it's negative. I am not. Am not. And we are. Were not. And also we aren't. In two ways we can write. You are. You're. You are not. You aren't. You aren't. He is. He's. He's not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It's not. It isn't. They are not. They aren't. Okay? Was and were. Past be verbs. They are used to express the identification of someone or something in the past, to express the condition of someone or something in the past, and to express someone's feeling in the past. Okay? He was grateful to you. It is what someone's feelings in the past. And its negative form, he was not grateful to you. Its interrogative form, was he grateful to you? Okay? Wasn't he grateful to you? it's a negative interrogative form. In two ways you can write negative interrogative as our present form. Okay, was he not grateful to you? One is wasn't he, another is was he not. Okay, the same thing, they were very rich persons. They are not rich persons, and were they rich persons? Weren't they rich persons? Were they not rich persons? Okay, in two ways negative interrogative can be written. Past continuous. In past continuous we use be verb with ing form of a verb. Okay, to express an action that was in progress at some point or over a period of time in the past. There you use be verb plus ing form of a verb. What is it? The train was running at full speed at that moment. At that moment means it shows what? At a point. Okay, there we use was plus ing form of a verb. That means past be verb plus ing form of a verb. Something is continuing, something is in progress at some point. There we use be verb plus ing form of verb. They are playing football between 4 and 5 p.m. It shows the time 4 and 5 p.m. That means over a period of time. We are playing be verb plus ing form. They were playing football between 4 and 5 p.m. To express two parallel actions, that means two actions continuing at the same time. I was writing, one another while he was reading. That means two actions continuing at the same time. There you use be verb plus ing form of verb. And also to express a frequently repeated past action, we use be verb plus ing form of verb. The employees were always complaining. Were always complaining. There we use be verb plus ing form of verb. And to express the gradual development of an action, gradual development, it was getting dark. Okay. The patient was getting restless. There you use be verb plus ing form of verb. That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.